The best cookware for a smooth top stove, Curtis Stone cookware. And I just ordered a new set. It just came in, so let's get to the unboxing. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we are unboxing my new Curtis Stone cookware, the best alternative for my new smooth top stove. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. Because I'll do videos just like this very often. But definitely check out the show notes and hit the links below because I'll put information in there about all the products that I'm using in today's video. Okay, let's jump into it. I had purchased the Curtis Stone multi-purpose pan, the Diamond 14-inch multi-purpose pan. And I liked it so much that I decided to order some additional pieces. One of the reasons why I felt like I needed some additional pieces is because, you know, when you're cooking, you have your typical pots and pans that you enjoy using, and all of a sudden now they're not the best choice for your stove. Let me show you one of our favorite skillets or fry pans. This is one of my husband's favorite fry pans. It's a chicken fryer, it's cast iron, and it works really well, but it puts scratches on my smooth top stove. So I thought I need to order something that will work just as well as that, but not scratch the smooth top. So when I take a look at the way this is packaged, they've got it packaged very nicely. So here's one of the lids. And this looks like an egg poacher. Another lid. And see, the lids are really packaged very nicely. They want to make sure nothing gets scratched or damaged in transit. And for those of you who don't know, red and yellow are my favorite colors. So I ordered this beautiful red. And now here's the bottom. And the bottom is nice and smooth. There's like no ridges on it. It's just nice and smooth. And this particular saucepan, look at it. It's got like a little pouring spout, one on each side, so that if I'm cooking something and I can just kind of pour it. So this is really a nice feature. And then look at this particular lid right here. This is the lid for this little saucepan, and note it's got a strainer right there. So you know how sometimes when you're trying to just want to pour something out and just want the water to come out, but you want to keep all the veggies inside? Well, now I can do that. So I'm loving that. I'm looking forward to using that. And then look how the handle is wrapped so nicely. Smooth. And then the Diamond interior, so the food should just slide right out. Here's my little cookbook. What is this? Well, I'll open this in a minute. Let's get all the big stuff out of the way. this. I love the fact that there are so many lids. This is the lid for this one. And if you hear a noise in the background, my washer's running. Oh, now this is a nice little cook pan. I like the fact that it's nice and deep. It's lightweight. So there's the lid for that. Here's another lid. We'll see what it goes to. Oh, now this is a nice fry pan. Take a look at that. Look how deep it is. And it looks like it's about maybe 11 inches, but it's nice and deep. So this ought to be a good alternative for him to use. This might be the egg poacher that fits in there, maybe. Maybe not, we'll see. So this is the lid for that one. I feel like a kid at Christmas time. I'm just throwing things everywhere. Oh, now this is like a little saute pan. So you can use it to fry, saute, toss things around. It's got a sloped side, so hopefully the food will stay inside. It's nice and lightweight. And this is the lid for that. And this poacher sits down in here, and then the lid goes on top. So that's nice. There's more. Ooh. Now this is one thing I've really been wanting. It's a griddle, or I should say a grill pan. You can see the striations in here, or the ridges for the grill. You've got lips on each side for pouring if necessary. And I am loving this color. This red is just simply too gorgeous. And the last thing in here is a little griddle. So I can make pancakes or other things on this little griddle. Nice smooth handle. So there were really quite a few things in this box. This is the 13-piece. This is the 13-piece set. So now let's see what's in here. These are the little egg cups. They go in the little egg poacher. I couldn't imagine what could have been in that little box, but now it all makes sense. And there's one extra, it looks like. Okay, so let's see what it includes. 1.5 quart saucepan with strainer lid. So that's going to be this one, the 1.5 quart saucepan with strainer lid. So there's that. And this is the 3-quart saucepan with lid. This is the 6-quart stock pot with lid. Eleven inch fry pan with lid, I think. Okay, so now let's correct my error. This is the 11-inch fry pan with lid. So this looks pretty good, and hopefully he should be able to use this in place of that cast iron skillet. And this is the 4-quart saute pan with removable lid. And when you take the lid off, you've got the removable egg poacher kit inside. So just take this out. They're your little individual egg poacher cups. And then the lid just fits right down inside there. Each of the lids have a little vent on them for steam escape, so that's kind of nice. So this set looks pretty darn good. I think I'm going to enjoy using these. Looks pretty good on the stove. Now here's a question for you. Which one of these amazing pieces would you like to try in your home? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So I've cooked a lot of meals, done a lot of laundry, and kissed a lot of boo-boos. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.